You're most welcome, sir. Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Defense, Medal, and his successor, where
government of my illustrious career, I can unequivocally say that you have been a pillar of support you have been a pillar of support, and I thank Allah for the privilege of having you in my life. You are amazing, and I sincerely thank you. In the same vein, I appreciate my loving children who embrace emotional maturity early in their lives as young children due to the frequent absence of their dad, occasioned by exigencies of the service. Now, it's time to make up for all the care and attention you must have missed all along. I commend all the members of NOAA and the Naval Ratings Wives Association, NARAWA, for their steadfast love to their husbands, as well as the rare understanding they have always shown. I thank you most immensely. Your devotion to remain on guard at home in the prolonged absence of your husbands is nothing short of a huge indirect support to the Nigerian Navy to achieve its constitutional mandate. I thank you at this end of an era and urge you not to relent. Finally, may I congratulate the incoming NOAA President, Mrs. Ijeoma Ogala. And equally wish her a successful outing. I urge you to remain a great pillar of support to your spouse. On this note, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as my active service comes to its conclusion in a short moment from now, I want to assure you that I am moving with great satisfaction in what we have all accomplished together. Knowing that I'm leaving you in the hands of a capable Chief of the Naval Staff. I thank you all for participating in this ceremony. God bless us all. God bless us all. Onward together. Thank you.